Previously on...
It's like 7 in the morning right now. Joey and Noah went to go get our big mobile order for Starbucks, and apparently somewhere along the way they realized that Joey had a screw in his tire. So they are at the tire place, and I was just told by my father. I've been like sitting around in our hotel room like waiting for them, and I guess we're leaving without them, and I guess they're gonna come in a few hours, which this really sucks. So you guys will be able to see how happy they are when, you know, we all get to OBX. I'm sure they're gonna be in a great mood.
5 minutes later.
Welcome to Firestone. Would you like some Starbucks?
I would love some Starbucks. Thank you so much for your hospitality.
Do you have decaf, sir?
As it turns out, we don't.
Yeah.
So they already have it there, and they're working on it. So
It should take no time at all.
Well, I was said to the guy, we were like, we have to be out of here by like 8:30, and he was like, yeah, that should, I mean, like maybe 9. But then we
Can you fill that out, please?
befriended him, so I think he got us in faster. Because we were bonding with him over the police being here.
Oh, that's right, right.
You guys are leaving now?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll just be on our way afterwards. Yeah.
Okay.
No.
Goodbye, fans. Okay, bye. I love you.
Love you. Good luck.
In my mind, I'm born Carolina.
You did it, Tracy! You did it!
Born Carolina in my mind.
Hear the music?
Hello! Hi, house!
I don't see anybody there cleaning.
Cleaning.
Clean soon!
It's not even 10 o'clock yet.
Yeah.
So I have to clean like yesterday.
Oh my god.
We made it.
Toot 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 toot! Hey, bitch! I was literally just going to say that.
Our favorite spot in the Outer Banks.
Oh my god. I'm so excited. You got a coffee already? I'm so excited for tomorrow morning. Oh my goodness. This is impossible not to get anything. Oh, the fresh vegetables and the fresh pepperino. How I want to be right now.
I wish we got one.
A little go-kart. Can you imagine us with a go-kart?
Nah, we'd die.
Oh my god. I'm so excited.
So pretty.
So this is where we go for lunch every summer. And we go right when it opens at 11:30. It is 10:59, so we are definitely early and ready.
That was really annoying.
Nom nom nom. Wait, this is so cute on my little corner. No. If you know, you know.
I don't know.
I'm fine. I never liked the pasta salad. Wait, this looks yummy. There's like cheese on it. We should cheers with our lobster rolls. I'm so excited.
That's a lobster roll.
Cheers, Brooks. Pretty. I'm so excited. The fire pit used to be right here. Now I have a spider web in my face. Okay, hold on. Ew. Now the fire pit's down here. Oh, really? That's cool. Well, now we can have fire down there, I guess. Here's our deck tour, you guys. I think I have spider webs all over me. Ew. 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 Bitch, we made it. Here is the short version of our house tour. Here is my room, Noah's room, Joey's room, our room. Very cute. Pool is out there. Joseph. Bathroom. Shower. Michael and his side of the bathroom. Michael and Jonathan in their little room. Hallway. Movie theater. Best part. This goes to the outdoor area. And this house is 3 floors, so every floor is like the same size. Just lots of bedrooms and fun activity rooms.
So many activities!
Just walk down this little hallway. Elevator is right here, which is great for groceries. This is like the staircase that goes for the 3 levels. This is the 2nd floor. There's a bedroom in here with like a big bathroom. I don't know who's staying in here this year. This is our like pool table, the bar area, which is super cool. Yeah, I love this little room. We don't use it as often as we should, but there's like there's an ice maker in here. That's really cool. You know, just the essentials. Another big deck where that's like our little dock. Ugh, there's like a bunch of bugs. It's kind of gross. But yeah, and then I love this. Welcome to Duck, where the waves kiss your feet, the sand is in your seat, and your friends outnumber the stars. That is cute. And this is our laundry room. Brooks and Tracy's room. Ooh, they have like a new comforter. That's really cute. And then their bathroom. I love their bathroom. I like to come in here and shower instead of mine because they have the rain shower, which is dope. All right, let's see. I'm gonna go back out this way and go upstairs. And this is the best floor of the house because it's where the kitchen is. The big master bedroom. The powder room. Ooh, that's new. That's pretty. Little powder room. And the big kitchen eat-in area. These are new, Dad.
What?
The paintings, and I think they like painted the wall too. Yeah. I'd show them how they recline. Do you remember? It's that thing on the side. Of course it is. There you go. Oh, there you go.
It's off its track.
It's off its track. I'm off my track. It's okay. All right. And here's the best part. The outdoor area is so beautiful in this house. This is like why we keep coming back. There's like a little outdoor bar situation. Our grill for when we grill at night. There's an outdoor shower over there. Typically there's like chairs around here. There's our pool, the hot tub, the dock. We go like paddle boarding off of that. And we used to go crabbing, is that what it is? Yeah, we used to have crab traps, but they're gone, so I don't know what happened with that. And yeah, that is the overview. Literally, like, my favorite place on earth. The funny thing is apparently the people who rented the house before us this year destroyed it. Like, the entire downstairs was disgusting. Like, they almost, like, the rental company almost gave us a refund, but we're like, no, like, we love this house way too much, so we're here. Like, I don't even know what they did. It is exceptionally cobwebby this year so far. Like, the whole backyard area is, like, covered in cobwebs, but hey, we're here. I'm so excited. It's, like, beautiful out, and I hope we have really good weather this week, because if not, I'm gonna be pissed. So beautiful. Okay.
I think it's gonna be a pretty sunset.
I do too.
I'm
Just
ready
the
for
right
my
amount of
cheese.
cloud.
I've literally been talking about that. I just wanted like a block of cheese. Guess I'll just finish it. Fine. Oh my god, I only know this song from what's that movie? Cinderella Story. Two beautiful sights. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be a good sunset. I can feel it in my bones. But until then, it's time for spaghetti and meatballs. Favorite view of all time. This is a cobweb.
Great.
I'm kidding.
Trey wants to go to the dock.
It's on a video.
It's a video? Oh.
Crazy. Wow, you guys. First day, first night, all of it, a big success. Here's to an amazing week. See you later, you guys. I can't even.